Hey everyone, it's CL. So in one of my previous Lego videos, I had mentioned that I was not going to buy any Lego sets to part out, that I had decided that I was just gonna part out some Lego sets that I own already personally, that I've owned for years, but now I have to backtrack because I was looking for those Lego sets. And I have moved a few times and things end up in boxes and stored in different places. I cannot find my Lego sets anywhere because I don't remember where I put it, and maybe it's stored at my dad's house. Like, I have no idea. So I went out today and purchased some Legos with the intention of parting them out. And I hate to admit it though, as a noob Lego investor, being new to the Lego community, I just keep going against people's advice. Like, I did no research. I kind of went to Target, which has like a very small Lego selection. I should have went to the Lego store because their selection is just bigger and a lot more variety, but I didn't. I went to Target and I just kind of looked around the sets and I just made a decision on what to purchase and what to part out. If anything, it's a good learning experience because I am going to, after I part everything out, I'm going to inventory it and kind of see like if the Lego set was worth the purchase and what potential return I could receive. That's gonna take some time though. The advice on YouTube was that depending on the set you purchase, the minifigs alone, if they're unique, you know, you can get a large portion of the money you put into the Lego set back. So as far as what I selected, do I think that I'm gonna get my money back based on the minifigs? Probably not. I should have stood in Target and just like looked up everything on my phone, but I didn't. You know, I looked up a couple things, but for the most part, it takes a long time for me to look things up, and I didn't want to stand in Target forever because I just wanted to pick something. Now that mindset is terrible from like a business sense. You should absolutely do your research. But I suppose as far as I'm concerned, I feel like I'm very much in learning mode. Like, I want to learn the process. Like, I want to learn how to part out Legos, how to research how much I would sell them for, return on investment, which Lego sets are worth it. So my excuse is that I'm just in learning mode. So even if I don't necessarily make money on these sets, that I want to see what the process is like, whether or not I like Bricklink. Not that I'm even eligible to sell on there yet because I have to meet the requirements, but it's something I want to try. So I ended up purchasing 2 Lego sets to part out. So the first set I picked out is this one here, which is the Harry Potter Polyjuice Potion set, which is number 76386. And the next set I purchased is the Harry Potter 4 Privet Drive set. So these are the ones I decided to part out just to see the process and whether or not I even like sorting Legos. I'm not entirely sure if I will or if it will be too tedious and time consuming. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and part out with the smaller set first, and then the bigger set I will either work on later today or tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll keep you updated if there's any updates. But that's all I have for this video. If you are interested in supporting the channel, please give me a like and subscribe and check out the links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.